Well, let's see. Ow! Yeah. Yeah. Screwed it into the screw. Ah! That's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Pretty funny. Pretty funny. So I need to grind the threads off the tip of that screw. There. Susan base blacked out. Yeah. Okay, put a biscuit across every crack on the back and glued it in there. Even though these cookies have been in here for going on 2 years now, haven't got any bigger. I like to do this at each crack just to make sure it stops and doesn't go anymore. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 biscuits in there, glue drying to make sure those cracks stop. Now I gotta grind these tips off. This is so thin I didn't have any screws short enough, so grind them tips off. Then this hole here is so I can get through here to screw it to the Susan. See, there's the one. Turn, spin it, boop, boop, boop. So that's how that works. Okay, hopefully last coat here. here. Okay, I used some of this non-slip stuff here and cut a piece out and contact cemented it to the base of this, so when you got it sitting on your table it won't slide around on the table. I'm going to cut this out here where my little hole is so I can screw it to the cookie top, which is sitting right over here. Cut that little hole out. Goes like that on the table. Then we got to screw it through that little hole there to the cookie top. So that's what's next. Get there. Okay, mounting this thing. A little dab of glue on the tip of the screw just to keep it from loosening up. Drill through the little hole here in the base plate. Rotate it around to the next hole. A little glue. And the last hole. And we'll tighten those down by hand. Tight. Cut. Cut. And tight. Wow. How about that? So there we go. There's the Yeehaw Cowboy Live Edge Wood Cookie Lazy Susan. Yeehaw. Let's get a good picture of it in the house before we sell this sucker.